Right. We are under the vehicle. Been a couple of weeks since I did my impromptu centre bearing repair, and I'm just going to see what's going on. Yeah, if I can get it to focus. To me, that is looking good. So that's a couple of weeks later. Centre bearing repair is still there. I'm just going to grab the drive shaft in a minute and give it a wiggle and see whether that does anything. It's certainly not bouncing up and down like it was before, and the bearing seems okay. So it's not the easiest thing to see, but I don't really want to take off the heat shield just to have a look at that. But it looks okay to me. It's still in the same place, hasn't detached itself. So I'm calling that a win for temporary repair on the drive shaft. So there you go. You can temporarily repair the drive shaft centre bearing with that, whatever it is that I used on it, and I'll remember it soon and it will flash up on the screen.